How to replace your purifier's optic. Replace the optic yearly if the unit is continuously operated, after 9,000 hours of use, or if the optic's blue light isn't visible during the optic test. To conduct the optic test, while in a dark room, look into the exhaust port and cycle the speed control on and off. If the optic is functional, you'll see a slight blue glow from the optic when the control is on. To access the filter, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, clean powder-free latex gloves, eye protection, a vacuum or a dust brush, a new optic with the part number OPT-XX-177. Step 1. Disconnect power to your air purifier. Be sure to complete this step before performing any maintenance. Turn the main power switch to the off position. Disconnect power to your air purifier. Step 2. Remove the cover and reflector. Place the device on its back. Using your screwdriver, remove the 4 screws from the cover. Being careful not to damage the cable attached to the cover, lift the cover upward. Disconnect the quick connect and place the cover to the side. Using your screwdriver, remove the 3 screws from the front reflector. Step 3. Remove the optic. Make sure you're wearing gloves and that your eyes are protected from dust and debris. Grip firmly with one hand the upper porcelain end of the optic, and with the other, the optic connector. Gently manipulate the connector while pulling from the optic base. Without putting pressure on the unsupported side of the optic, gently pull the optic from the 3 optic support clips. Step 4. Clean the unit and optic chamber. Use a vacuum or a dust brush to remove dust and dirt from your purifier. In the same way, yet using caution because of the optic chamber's sharp edges, remove dust and dirt from the chamber. Step 5. Install the new optic. Remove the optic from its packaging. Carefully locate the 3 optic clips and gently insert the optic into the clips, making sure the optic's white wires aren't pinched under the clips. Note that the connector is keyed with the base and will connect only in one direction. Always pull and push straight or you may damage the ceramic. Grip the upper porcelain end of the optic and the optic connector and gently connect the optic connector to the optic. Make sure they're firmly pressed together with a gap no larger than 1 millimeter. Step 6. Replace the cover and reflector. Reconnect the quick connect and replace the cover using the appropriate screws. Replace the reflector using the remaining screws. Step 7. Reconnect your purifier and check that the optic is functional. To complete the optic maintenance, reconnect your purifier. Your new optic will emit a faint blue glow. Well done! If you've followed these steps, you've now replaced your optic. If you're experiencing difficulties, please remove power to the air purifier and contact your local distributor.